All right, guys, so today here we have this pre-owned 2020 General XP 1000. So right off the bat, you hear that 1000cc engine. So you know you're gonna have plenty of power to play, to work, to do whatever you're gonna want. This is also gonna be pushing 100 horsepower, so it's gonna take you wherever you need to go. Also with the work, you do have the dump bed on as well, so that's gonna be able to give you probably hold like 600 pounds on that as well. This thing could also tow up to maybe 1,500 to 2,000 pounds. You also do have the 4,500 pound winch in the front with the bumper guard. You also have the Walker Evans shocks on this machine as well, so it's going to give you that super comfort while you're out there riding and playing. It is already kind of enclosed as well, so you do have the windshield front and the back to protect you from the dust, full on doors to protect you from any debris flying in, roof as well to protect you from the sun, and this one also does come with a ride command. So you do have the navigation, the Rockford Fosgate system as well. So it's going to be an all-around fun machine just to take out, or even if you got to work.